Welcome to Vision 101, Chart of Accounts Overview. In Vision, the chart string, or a combination of chart fields, can be up to 56 spaces long. Each field tells the story of the who, what, how, and why of a transaction. A valid chart string in Vision must include at least the business unit, account, fund, and department ID fields. Some business units use program, class, and project for most of their work, but many do not. Each field has a set length from 5 to 15 spaces in length. Project codes can include both letters and numbers. Business units are numbered so that the first two digits indicate what part of government that business unit is part of. For example, all human services business units start with an 03, followed by 3 digits, to indicate the specific business unit. As with business units, account codes start with a number that lets you know their general purpose. For example, all revenue codes begin with 4, and all expense codes begin with a 5, followed by 5 digits. Fund codes are 5 digits long and determine where the money is coming from. The general fund, for example, is 10,000. Department ID codes start with the last 4 digits of the business unit they are under, except for BGS Capital Construction. Program and class codes are set up under the state set ID so that they can be used by multiple business units. Class codes are set by finance and used statewide. Project codes can be up to 15 characters in length and can include any combination of numbers and/or letters. They are linked to specific business units and can only be used to track expenditures or for defining a budget for a project with the use of a funding source. Affiliate codes are used to indicate the second business unit in a transfer journal. To view information on chart fields in Vision, click on the General Ledger Workcenter tile. Expand the Chart Fields menu in the Links pagelet and click on Chart Field Values. I'm going to click on the chart field type you're looking at. In this case, we're looking for an account code, so we'll click on Account. We also know we're looking for the account code for electrical supplies, and we know that starts with 52, so we can type 52 in the search criteria box for account. Click on Search, and it returns a list of all accounts that start with 52. We can scan down here and see that electrical supplies is 520230. We can click on the link. Probably the two most important pieces of information you'll see here is that the status of that account code, and it is active, and also when it was made effective. If you're creating a new account code and you're getting errors back when trying to run transactions using it, you should check this. Sometimes it will be running outside of the date range or before the effective date was actually set. So please check that. This is the place you can do it. You can find additional information on the Department of Finance and Management website at finance.vermont.gov by going to the Vision Chart Fields and Accounting Periods page. The Chart Fields Reporting Manual includes queries to view active BUs, accounts, fund codes, department IDs, program codes, project codes, and class codes. Chart strings can seem overwhelming, but once you know the general rules around how chart fields work, even a quick look at a chart string can tell you a lot about a given transaction in Vision. To get help while working in Vision, visit our webpage at finance.vermont.gov for manuals, job aids, how-to guides, and more. If you can't find what you need there, email the help desk at vision.finhelpdesk@vermont.gov or call the help desk directly at 802-828-6700 and select option 2.